What is up, you guys? Welcome back into a new video, and my other friend got hacked. My girlfriend got hacked, and I'm here. Yeah, I'm out of words right now. Okay, I'm out of words right now. Yeah, I saved it. I saved it. Where should I put my camera at? Right there. No, it should be right. Yeah, no, it should be like this on top of my screen. So guys, this is. I'm gonna show you guys. This is her, and she unfriended me. This is my girlfriend's account, and she unfriended me. My freaking hand is shaking because I'm pissed. I'm pissed off. Jaden is talking right now, but I'm pissed off that this shitty guy has. Sorry, my language. This guy had to hack her, and his. Yeah, the Nicole still is my friend, or should I say girlfriend? But I'm about to pass out right now because Nicole is one of my best friends, and I want her to be safe. And this happens, I can't wait to go back to school and tell her what happened because I'm pissed off right now. I don't know what to do. I'm trying to log in, and there's nothing I can do. All the things I can do is just tell Jaden to help me, and maybe we'll get the account back. But that's all the announcements. Yeah, he already told me that, so there's nothing we can do. Nicole, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I tried to get your account back, but this stupid hacker had to hack you. I really hope that you get your account back. No? Okay. Oh my god, guys. I think I'm gonna go. Bye, guys!